one is for Parvati ji and Chiyan Vikram sir. आप दोनों के लिए एक मंगाया मैंने. I was like, नहीं, ये ऐसे ही होना चाहिए. Now that's a moment, ladies and gentlemen. That's a beautiful moment. Thank you so much, Disha ma'am, for being here and doing the honors and welcoming them. I wish वो co-host करती पूरा, but ठीक है, आगे बढ़ जाते हैं यहाँ पे. All right, Ranjit sir, first things first. You know, visuals are super striking with some unique period wala settings. Talk to us about the fact that every single time, whatever you've done, was social, political messages there, right? But this time, that slight hint of mysticism. Talk to us about that, sir.
Good morning, so good afternoon, everyone. I love magical realism. I love Inaritu. I followed Inaritu and also Garcia Marcos, Gabriel Marcos. Yeah, I read a lot his novels. So the magical realism I really loved, and magical realism I very much connected with that content. So I didn't use my movie before that. First I trying to use that in this movie. And also this movie in Tangalan Dil, it is not only talk about Tangalan present his life, and also Tangalan had something in his mind. So that story is connected very much to mythologically. So mythological, mythological is depend on some historical things and also some beliefness. So beliefness, it is kind of magical things, like it is true or not true, like it's depend on beliefs. So so I wanted to use that magical realism. It will be connect to that audience. So I wanted to convey. I wanted to connect with that a magical realism thing through that the mythological story. Yeah, I'm trying like that.
Whatever we've seen on that big screen is fantabulous.
Thank you, thank you.
पार्वती, ये आपके लिए है सवाल. मैं फूल ले लूं आपसे. मोमेंट बन जाएगा, वैसा लगेगा जैसे आपने मुझे दिया.
मुझे लग रहा है ये आपका एक तरीका है फूल अपने पास रखने के लिए, तो नहीं ले रही.
मुझे प्लीज ये बताइए, how does it feel to be back in Amchi, Mumbai, first of all, with this kind of love from all our eminent journalists? क्या बोलना है?
Thank you so much for asking that question. आमची मुंबई वापस आके बहुत खुशी हो रही है. 2017 में इरफान सर के साथ तनुजा चंद्रा करीब सिंगल के टीम के साथ आई थी, और उसके बाद भी आई थी मैं. और ऑल्सो 2019 कोविड से पहले मैंने शिफ्ट भी कर लिया था मुंबई. उसके बाद कोविड आ गया तो ऑफ कोर्स इट वाज डिफ़िकल्ट, लेकिन मुंबई से जो नाता है वो कभी टूटने तो वाली नहीं है. तो आप सब आए आज, हमारे लिए वेट किया. थैंक यू सो मच.
Thank you so much for sharing that with us. अब हमें और गर्व फील हो रहा है. Talking about this team here, of course बहुत सारे हमारे लोग यहाँ नहीं हैं. Malvika is not here, of course she's fantabulous on that screen. But talking about this team, collaborating with them and working with this gentleman जो ऐसे ट्रांसफॉर्म होते हैं कि what do I say?
No, मैं पहले एक इंटरव्यू में बोल रही थी कि ये सागर जो एक नदी जो है जो सागर से मिलती है, ऐसा फील हो रहा था हम सबको. लेकिन मेरे लिए स्पेशली क्योंकि मुझे गंगामल जैसा एक कैरेक्टर मिला जो तंगलान की बीवी हैं, उनके 5 बच्चे हैं, और ऐसा है कि वो अकेले किया नहीं जा सकता. वैसे फिल्म अकेले कर नहीं सकते, इट्स अ टीम एफर्ट ऑब्वियसली. लेकिन जब हम हीरो से मिलते हैं यूजुअली देयर इज़ अ स्पेशल सम काइंड ऑफ एन ऑरा अराउंड देम, कि जो हम लोग सब थोड़ा बाहर रहते हैं. इनके साथ बिल्कुल ऐसा नहीं होता है. वो सबको अपने ओर खींचते हैं, उनको जो चाहिए वो देते हैं. उतने जेनरस एक्टर हैं, और उस ही सच अ लार्जर देन लाइफ पर्सनैलिटी अदरवाइज, बट एट द सेम टाइम सो लविंग. ये बहुत क्लीशेड भी लग सकता है, हम प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में बोलते हैं ना आपस में बहुत प्रेस करना, लेकिन नो, आई मीन इट फ्रॉम माई हार्ट. इनके बिना मेरा जो कुछ भी आप काम देखने वाले हैं वो मैं कर नहीं पाती. आई थिंक द होल टीम ऑफ Tangla, Malavika has said that, and we miss Malavika when she is ferocious as Aarti in this film. And with Ranjit, obviously, as a filmmaker, I look up to him. लेकिन उससे भी ये जो है ना, आपने पूछा था कि मैजिकल रियलिज्म के बारे में, जो विजुअल स्टनिंगनेस है, पॉलिटिकल तो वो हैं ही, उनको जो कहना है इसमें एक तरीके से एक इनर सेल्फ रिफ्लेक्शन भी किया है, वो इतने लार्जर देन लाइफ मैग्नीट्यूड में किया है कि वी फील लाइक वी आर बीइंग पुल्ड टू द सेंटर ऑफ द अर्थ, यू नो, दैट्स द पावर ऑफ इट. सो सिनेमैटिक मीडियम जो है, मैं हमेशा से कहती आई हूँ, उसका पावर छोटा मोटा नहीं है, बहुत इन्फ्लुएंशियल है. तो उस पावर को अंडरस्टैंड करके जो ये क्रिएट करते हैं, उसमें एक छोटा सा किरदार करने में मुझे बहुत बहुत एंजॉयमेंट मिली. थैंक यू.
इतना बढ़िया किरदार करके, शी इज लाइक छोटा सा किरदार. वी जस्ट लव्ड व्हाटएवर वी सॉ ऑन दैट बिग स्क्रीन. सर आ जाइए. इन्होंने मुझे बोला था जब विक्रम सर से बात करोगे मुझे बुलाना, मेरा मोमेंट होएगा. सो वेलकम टू आमची मुंबई वन मोर टाइम.
Thank you.
कैसा लग रहा है?
Really happy to be here. It's amazing. Like, I mean, you know that Bombay has so many films happening here, but yet when I entered this room, to see that love, that smiles on your face, and the excitement to take pictures and videos, that's really, I mean, something that I'm not going to forget. It's really memorable to think that you guys take cinema so seriously. Thank you for accepting us here. And thank you for your lovely introductions. I mean, always, whenever you do this, I'll always think, do I really deserve this? I feel very humbled by all this. Every time you speak, it's so very beautiful. The way you exude so much of confidence in our product, like it's your very own, which it is actually at the moment. Thank you so much for that. Every single time I've from PS before. Wow. And I just want to thank my cast and crew, especially my director, Ranjit, for giving me such a fantastic role. I wouldn't call it a role, I would just call it like another identity of mine, which he helped me discover. And I'm so glad I discovered Tangalan. And I'm so glad that I discovered with somebody as beautiful and as passionate about my work as she is about hers. And we really discovered our roles in this as Tangalan and Gangama. See, it became Gangama, Tangama. Wow. It couldn't get closer than that. But I couldn't have done this. All the scenes, when you see the film, you'll enjoy the romance between us. We are happily married with 5 children. The eldest is about like 22. He's capable of getting married and having children of his own. The youngest is about 3, but we still are in love, very much in love. And whatever the scenes we have together, I mean, I couldn't have done it with anybody but you, Parvati. Thank you for being my Gangama and for being that beautiful buffer for my soul in this movie. And Ranjit, I love him for this role. I've done some remarkable roles in my career, but Tangalan is super, super special to me. And it's something that I'm always going to remember, and I think I'm going to show to my grandchildren and my great-grandchildren with a lot of love, if I'm still around then. But it's a very special film, and you're going to love this film because it's got wonderful performances. Like Parvati was saying, Malavika is so ferocious. You will see her in an avatar, which I think is very rare on Indian cinema on screens. And Pasupati and Hari and Preeti and Ashokan, and everybody is a performer in this movie. And all of us felt that this was more than a movie. It was all like pieces of our souls just coming together in one creation, and we just gave it our all. And you could see it I think in everything. There are making videos too, where you'll see the turmoils we went through and the rigors we have put through. And it was really tough. It was very, very difficult essaying our roles and trying to bring this to life. It's a film about adventure, about fantasy, about magical realism. It's got magic in it, but it's also real. He's trying to make us look in through that window into another era and to actually witness something. I mean, I'm sure if there are history books which can have this, I'm sure they would identify with the costumes, the weapons we use, the materials we use. He's tried to be as authentic as possible. A lot of research has gone into it. But at the same time, he's got a very poignant message that he wants to deliver, which has not been the prime focus of the movie. He's made a very entertaining film, a very captivating film, but with a message which I'm sure all of us in the present times will identify with. Thank you, Ranjit, for that effort. And we are so happy that we were also part of that like very powerful voice that you possess. And thanks a lot for being so patient and listening to my ramble, if it was it. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir, for sharing all of that. Of course, talking about history. The last time you were here, you talked about India's architectural marvels, and the entire world just followed you on that. So here also, we are talking about tribes, of course, their life, how they've impacted all of us. So I'm sure, again, this is going to go down in history. This piece of cinema is going to be there. Just one thing, sir. You talked about the entire team. You did not talk about yourself. Talk to us about yourself. And, you know, every day when you look into the mirror, as I said, do you like challenge yourself? Or that challenge is that one thing that's the sole motive behind signing on the dotted line or something?
Yeah, it's actually the money, but no, I'm kidding. It's not that. I mean, I've done films for free too. When I was less ambitious, till my wife called me up one day and said, hey, we need food on the table. So it's changed after that. But I love acting from when I was a kid. From my 3rd grade, I've been only wanting to act. I wouldn't even study, and I've been beaten blue, black, because all I could imagine was this guy walking on a street and people calling him and saying, hey, can you sign a picture in an autograph, or can we have a picture with you? That's always been my dream. Cinema has always been my passion, my dream, and every time I do a role, I try to do something that's very far from me, and I think Tanglan is just another repercussion of that want. It's the want to work on great characters with great directors like Par Ranjit. All my directors have inspired me through all my characters. Work with great technicians and artists like Parvati, Malavika, Daniel, Pasupati. We've had such wonderful, I've had a really nice travel through cinema, and this again will be like one of my very special films. And yeah, the role, I think when you see the film, you will, a lot of people in the South have identified with what we went through, and they've all loved the performances. So it is very flattering, and like I said earlier, very humbling when we hear such great stuff about us and about the movie. And I'd like to take this opportunity on this stage to thank all the people who have watched the film till now in all languages and made it what it is. It's very difficult for a film like this to reach a wide audience like that. And thanks to my producer, Nyanavel, and Ranjit for such a wonderful opportunity. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir. And a lot of men out there are thanking you across the globe for that hairstyle. That's like, covering